Hello everyone. Got another nice little model to put together. As you can see, this one is a 2017 Chevrolet Colorado. Nice color blue. Alright. Let me, as I always say, let me get to work. Alright, I'll get everything unpacked, get it laid out here on my mat. We'll see what we're dealing with. Alright, let me get to work. Well, alright. Got all the parts laid out. Quick look at them. Alright, back to work. Well, I got her all finished up. And still one thing left. We got to find it a place to park up on my shelf. Let me see what I can do. Well, here it is. Found it a spot. It's looking like I'm going to need a bigger parking lot. And packed in here pretty tight. But yeah, this was a good looking little truck though. Really like it. I hope y'all enjoyed watching it. I appreciate the thumbs up if you like it. Alright. Thank y'all, and we'll see you for the next build. Alright, bye-bye.